Hello friends, myself R.D. Mahajan presenting my video on Z transform. Standard result, result number 3rd. Z transform of e raised to minus an as equal to z divided by z minus e raised to minus a for the condition n greater than or equals to 0. And as the condition is n greater than or equals to 0, Z transform is given by, we know this result, z of f of n as summation from n equal to 0 to infinity f of n into z raised to minus n. Capital Z stands for operator of Z transform and small z stands for complex number. And therefore, Z transform of that e raised to minus an is equals to summation from n equal to 0 to infinity, substitute value of f of n, e raised to minus an and into z raised to minus n. Then taking n as a common term, power as common, n equal to 0 to infinity, e raised to minus a, z raised to minus 1 and whole raised to n. Then transferring this to denominator, we get summation of e raised to minus a divided by z whole raised to n changes from 0 to infinity. Then substituting the values of n, first n equal to 0, n number raised to 0, we get that one as 1. Next for n equal to 1, we get e raised to minus a by z. Next one is square of this term, e raised to minus a by z whole square. Next for n equal to 3, we get e raised to minus a by z whole cube and so on. And then sum of this term, this type of term, 1 plus capital X plus capital X square and so on. It is 1 upon 1 minus e raised to minus a whole divided by z, and the condition mod of e raised to minus a by z as less than 1. Then cross multiplying by z, rewriting it, we get z divided by z minus e raised to minus a, and the condition mod z is greater than mod of e raised to minus a. This is the required Z transform. Result. Therefore, remember this as a standard result. Z transform of e raised to minus an as z upon z minus e raised to minus a. And similarly, we have the result for e raised to an. Similarly, we have the result Z transform of e raised to an as z upon z minus e raised to a. And the region of convergence is mod z is greater than mod of e raised to a. Then remaining result I will give directly. Remember as a standard result. Result number next. This one is result number 3rd. First two results I have discussed in my previous video. Therefore, in continuation with that video, this is result number 3rd. Then result number 4th, Z transform of sine omega n as z sine omega divided by z square minus 2z cos omega plus 1. Fifth one, Z transform of cos of omega n as z minus cos omega whole divided by same denominator, that is z square minus 2z cos omega and plus 1. Sixth one, Z transform of sine hyperbolic is equals to Z sin HA, Z sin hyperbolic A divided by Z square minus 2Z cos HA plus 1. 7. Z transform of cos hyperbolic AN as Z into Z minus cos HA whole divided by Z square minus 2Z cos HA and plus 1. Here denominator same in these two results, Z transform of sin omega n and Z transform of cos of omega n, and the same case this denominator is same for Z transform of sin hyperbolic an and Z transform of cos hyperbolic an. And the last one, Z transform of unit impulse function is equals to 1. Therefore, these are the total 8 results as a standard result for Z transform. Remember all this result and use it whenever we require to find Z transform of any function of n. That un, capital Un, is unit impulse function. Unit impulse function. In my next video, I will discuss some problems on this standard result, how to find out Z transform using this standard results. If you like my video, please share it as well as subscribe to my channel, and to receive the notification you have to press the bell icon. Thank you. Thanks for watching.